what we are getting to know is that the Prime Minister has met Nitish Kumar before the meeting is held. So there is a meeting between Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Lok Kalyan Marg. Visuals on your screens. Now that says a lot about Nitish Kumar's weight in the NDA alliance. Manohar, give us an update.
देखिए, बिल्कुल मैं आपको सीधे यहाँ का माहौल दिखाना चाहता हूँ जो 7 लोक कल्याण मार्ग प्रधानमंत्री का आवास है। मैं अपने कैमरा पर्सन प्रमोद को कहता हूँ वो थोड़ा सा जूम इन करके दिखाएं। देखिए, तमाम लोगों का काफिला जो है सो यहाँ पर आना शुरू हो गया है। केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह आ चुके हैं, जेपी नड्डा जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं वो आ चुके हैं।
Let's put out Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar's visuals on our screens. That's the big development right now. That's the big development right now. Let's put those pictures back on the screen. And Nitish, this entire scheme of things where the NDA is going to move forward and form the government. यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे थे कि नीतीश कुमार का यहाँ पे रोल बहुत ही बड़ा है। यहाँ पे चंद्रबाबू नायडू का रोल बहुत ही बड़ा है। चंद्रबाबू नायडू अभी पहुंचने वाले हैं 7 लोक कल्याण मार्ग पे, नीतीश कुमार ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुके हैं। और ये जो मीटिंग हो रही है प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी की और नीतीश कुमार की, ये काफी कुछ बताती है। Okay, let me again get A.K. Mishra. So, the meeting, a meeting before the meeting. There is a meeting that is between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar, after which all the alliance members are going to sit together and have a conversation.
Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, they will start the process of formation of the government. So before formation, they just want, formally, they just want to justify, they just want to convince each and every one that, yeah, before election we were united and after election we are united and we are having the same kind of the concept, same kind of the ideology, and we believe in same kind of the political or economical principles. So let's proceed. So this is the formality. Just I think hardly it will be 1 or 2 hour meeting. After that, everything will be finalized and everyone will be proceeding for formation of the government. And as soon as it may be possible, we will be witnessing that government will be on the desk, on the table.
Okay, Pratham Bose, credit needs to be given where credit is due, and that's exactly what is happening. Pratham Bose, can you hear me?
Please come again.
Yes.
Will you come again?
I said credit must be given where credit is due. And now with Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding a meeting before the NDA alliance meeting is happening, says a lot about the relationship that the two are going to share in the coming 5 years.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and particularly from Mr. Modi's side, there was a great regard for Mr. Nitish Kumar, though there had been many antics. So far as I understand, I mean, there were many, we all know about the Bihar politics, so there were many issues with Mr. Nitish Kumar and BJP, this or that, but Mr. Modi has been a huge supporter of Mr. Nitish Kumar for whatever purposes it should be. So I think that will go well. The bargaining part, etc., will be there. That's politics. Nitish Kumar will have his day today, so he will ask for his pound of flesh. That's perfect.
Okay, George Kurian, quickly a response from you right now. NDA alliance meeting is happening, and obviously there are going to be all permutations, combinations that are going to be discussed.
See, let me reiterate again for the benefit of your audience. The Congress Party and the India bloc may have lost this battle, but we have won the larger war. And I'm saying this with full authority is because we are able to hold the Bharatiya Janata Party below the halfway mark, that is 272. They have been decimated from 303 to 240, which is a win-win situation for the people of India at large.
But sir, you're not forming the government. You're not forming the government. It is the NDA that is forming the government.
you have to understand.
You are
one
telling
thing,
me that
Congress
you
party
are
has
from
risen.
from
The
from
Congress
33%
party
that
has
you
risen
scored
from
in
52 to
2014 and in
99.
2019.
If
You
let
have
me- if
crossed
you
the
let me
50%
speak,
mark, but the
Megha,
BJP
if you let
that
me
used to
speak,
win
if you let me
and get
speak,
90%
the
marks, and it has gotten
Okay.
67 or 70% this
If
time
you-
around. And how
if
is
you-
it a defeat of the BJP and victory of the Congress?
If you have invited me on your show, let me speak. If the Congress party has risen from 52 to the 99 and the Bharatiya Janata Party has
Congress has
dipped
risen from
303
33% to
240,
52%.
on whose favor is the mandate at this point in time? That's why I'm saying they may have the numbers. They are more than, they can go and form the government. As we all understand, Nitish Kumar, be it TDP, Chandrababu Naidu, they are in a pre-poll alliance. So they are at the will to go and form the government. But this is a government under compulsion, under political pressure. The entire nation knows about it. And coming to, now at least the elections are over, so you can stop calling it Indie, it's India Alliance. Now there is nothing, all the phases of elections are over, so why try to corner the
I'm
Congress
saying
party?
that does
We are
India
confident,
Alliance still
we are a
exist?
strong opposition.
And if you're saying if India Alliance had come together and cobbled up a government, if you had gotten the majority, what would you have said? Because here NDA, there are lesser number of parties that are coming together and forming the government. Would you have the same thing to say if India Alliance would have come, that this is a party of compulsion? India Alliance would have been a government of compulsion. And
We
even
are
more so than the NDA.
getting hold on to the rising inflation, the growing unemployment in this country.
You
to
don't have
safeguard
an
the
answer
interests of
and
the
you're
nation
talking
and
about
the constitution.
inflation and you're talking about
what I'm
employment.
So what I'm trying to say is that we are confident, we are a strong opposition. We will play our role in the opposition. And see, as we know that, we are not a party with a character. We're trying to break parties. We will wait. If there is anything that doesn't, unfold within the NDA, then our doors are open for them to come.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.